Once you have a takt time established, you need to ensure that keeping up with that time is possible. One of the best methods to visually manage your orders and keep track of when your orders need to start is by using a load leveling box. The load leveling box is also known as a Heijunka box and helps you visually communicate to workers when an order needs to be produced. The Heijunka box typically lists products down the left-hand side and time intervals across the top. Kanban cards, routers, or another trigger are then placed in the appropriate box and time for workers to act on. This helps workers to visually manage what needs to be done and when. And that's it, a load leveling box. That will help you level your production floor. We'll see you in the next module.